Okay student, now we are going to solve the question number 6 of exercise 15. The statement of question number 6 is, which of the following triangles are similar? Here in this question we have two triangles. We have to find whether the triangles are similar to each other or not. As we have learned in the definition of similar triangle, that the two shapes are similar means that all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. If these two properties are found in the two triangles, we can say that they are similar to each other. So in this question we can see the triangle. Suppose we give the name triangle A, B and C, and here we give it the name X, Y and Z. So in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, the first property is their corresponding angles are equal to each other. So we write here corresponding angles are equal. So their corresponding angles are equal, and the second property is their corresponding sides must be in the same ratio. If we take the second property, which is corresponding, here we write angle 55 is equal to angle 55, and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So if we take the side XY, which is correspond to AB, if we take the ratio between XY and AB, the side XY is equal to 10 centimeter and side AB is equal to 5 centimeter. If we divide 10 by 5, we have 2 centimeter. So the ratio between these two triangles is equal to 2 centimeter. If we take the second corresponding sides YZ and the corresponding sides AC, if we take the ratio between these two sides, we will write the side of YZ is equal to 4 centimeter, the side YZ is equal to 4 centimeter and AC is equal to 2 centimeter. So if we take ratio between these two sides, we will have 2 centimeters. As we can see that their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding ratio between the corresponding sides the same ratio. So these two triangles are similar to each other. So therefore we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle X, Y and Z. So triangle ABC is similar to XYZ. So in this way we can find other triangles whether they are similar to each other or not.